How to fix Windows Update error 0x80070103 on Windows 11. Method 1. Run the Windows Update Troubleshooter. Right-click Start, and select Settings. In the System panel, scroll down, and click Troubleshoot. Select Other Troubleshooters. Click Run next to Windows Update. Apply all of the suggested fixes. Restart your PC. Method 2. Pause and resume Windows updates. Right-click Start, and select Settings. Select the Windows Update panel. In the Pause Updates section, click Pause for 1 week. Then, click Resume Updates. Once Windows is updated, click Restart if prompted. Method 3. Restart the Windows Update service. Hold down Windows plus R keys to open Run. In the Run dialog, type in services.msc and click OK. In the Services window, locate the Windows Update service. Right-click Windows Update and click Properties. In the Service Status section, click Stop. Then, click Start. Click OK to close the Properties window. Alternatively, you can click the Restart the Service button. Close the Services window. Method 4. Clear Windows Update cache. Hold down Windows plus R keys to open Run. In the Run dialog, type in CMD and hold down Ctrl plus Shift plus Enter keys to open Command Prompt as an administrator. In the Command Prompt window, type in net stop 0x80070103 and press the Enter key. Type in rd/s/q% system root %\software distribution \download and press Enter. Type in net start 0x8007 and press Enter. Method 5. Run the deployment image and servicing management and system file checker scans. Hold down Windows plus R keys to open Run. In the Run dialog, type in CMD and hold down Ctrl plus Shift plus Enter keys to open Command Prompt as an administrator. In the Command Prompt window, type in dism/online/cleanup image/scan health and press Enter. Type in dism/online/cleanup image/restore health and press Enter. Then type in sfc/scan now and press Enter. Close the command prompt and restart your PC. Hopefully, this video provided you with the information you were looking for. If you're using a Windows computer, we suggest scanning it with Combo Cleaner. Combo Cleaner's real-time anti-malware scanner will stop malware from gaining a foothold on your PC. Anti-ransomware protection will protect your most precious files against being encrypted by ransomware. Combo Cleaner's web browsing protection will block scams, malicious websites, and downloads. Also, Combo Cleaner's duplicate file finder and big files finder will help you clean up your PC and save gigabytes of valuable disk space. Don't let malware wreak havoc on your computer. Download Combo Cleaner today. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing to our channel